Okay, question number 9. The price for a chair after 3 successive discounts of 24%, 18%, and 15% is $109.06. What is the single equivalent rate of discount expressed as a percentage? All right, now the first discount, D1, you have 3 discounts. D1 is 0.24, that's 24% expressed as a decimal. 18% is D2, which is 0.18 expressed as a decimal right here. And D3, the third discount, is 15%, which is 0.15 expressed as a decimal there. Now, in order to calculate the single equivalent rate of discount, we have to find 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2, and 1 minus D3. So this is what is done here. 1 minus D1 is 1 minus 0.24, which would give us 0.76. 1 minus D2 is 1 minus 0.18, which would give us 0.82. And D3, 1 minus D3, sorry, is 1 minus 0.15, which would give us 0.85. So now we can go and calculate the single equivalent rate of discount. And that is equal to 1 minus, so 1 minus D1 is 0.76. We multiply that by 1 minus D2, which is 0.82. And then we multiply that by 1 minus D3, which is 0.85. All right, so that is equal to, well, let's get the calculator. We will do the following. We will do the multiplication first, 0.76 times 0.82 times 0.85. And that is equal to a product of 0.5297200. Now we can make that quantity negative and add it to 1, which is the same as subtracting the product from 1. So that result is 0. Okay, let's get it up here, 0.470280. All right, so the single equivalent discount expressed as a decimal, all right, is 0.47028. That's, we don't need to carry the rest of the zeros. Now, if we want it expressed as a percent, which is what is required there, we will have to multiply by 100, and that would give us 47.028. And if we round that to 2 decimal places, then what will happen? Well, the single equivalent rate of this discount will become 47.03%. Okay, so that would be the single equivalent rate of discount expressed as a percent, 47.03. Now, what is the price of the chair before the 3 discounts? Now, in order to do that, we can use the following. Well, we can say that the price after the discount and call it the net price, and then we use the price before the discount as the list price, is 1 minus D, the equivalent rate of discount, but that, in this case, we will have to use the decimal number. All right, now we know the price, what? We know the price after the 3 discounts. The price is 109.06. So that is N, is 109.06. And the single equivalent rate of discount expressed as a decimal is 0.47028. Let's carry the 5 decimal places. Now we insert that into the formula or the equation. 109.06 is equal to the list price times 1 minus 0.47028. All right, or we could say that 109.06 is equal to L times, let's get out the calculator, and we have it up there already. So the 0.47028, we just make it negative and we add 1, and we'll get our answer of 0.52972. Okay, so now we can calculate L, the list price or the price before the discount, is 109.06 divided by 0.52972. And if we do that, now we can, if we wish, just find the reciprocal and multiply by 109.06, and we'll get the answer of 205.88. So let's see if that turns out to be the correct answer, 205.88. Or we could have gone and just put 109.06 and divided by 0.52972, and we'll get 205.88. So let's see if that is correct, 205.88. We will submit, and it is correct.